Can you see now? It's very big
Yes,
size.
sir.
Mm, I can hear you. I just trying to adjust in whole table. I think it's okay now. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
I think picture very clear. So can you see S block, P block, D block clearly? 21, and this block is empty. Actually here 3, 4, 3 to 12. Can you see here? 3 to 12. Let me use the. Hmm, hmm. So if you see here in this case, so hmm, yeah. So this is the S block. Can you see S block? This is S block. Yes. This whole is a D block from here to here, D block, and here to here P block. Can you see now? This whole part, P block, and this side will be F block. Can you see now? Property, and first row consists of only 2 elements. Here will be 8 elements. Here also 8 elements. But here will be 18 elements. Here will be 18 elements. Here will be 32, and here will be 32. So it will become 180. Hmm? Understood? Clear? This will be your 3,
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Understood now? And this is the fourth row. This is the first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. We have 5, 6, and seventh row. So there are totally seventh row. But in fourth row, you can see here, this is the 3D series. This is your 3D series. Understood? When electrons go into 3 blocks. This is the 4D series, right? This is the 5D series. Because electron go to filling the 5D. This will be 60. That's all. 70 is
Sir,
not
why
there.
is it called? Why is it called like that, sir? Can you repeat?
Because electrons filling with a 3D1 only. 3D1, this is your 3D10. Similarly, here we have the 6D10. Okay. And here we'll be having the 61. Understood?
Okay, sir.
And here will be 58 will be 5F1, and this will be 5F, not 5, 4F, sorry, 4F1, this will be 4F14. Here will be 5F1, this will be 5F14. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
That's why it's called F block element. So they are not D block. The last electron, or we can say.
Why does it start with 4, sir?
Because if you use the upper rule, we have
It will be placed in the fourth
so
row.
when
Okay,
you
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
when
sir.
you use the upper rule, so you will get the 4F only. After 6, this one 6 or 7, you will get the 4F.
Yes, sir.
You just draw the diagram of Baru. If you remember, that's why I told you you should know that pure atomic structure before the periodic table. Auber rule says that 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then we have the 3s, 3p, then 3d. After that, 4s, 4p, then
Sir, it
4d.
should be 4S and then only 3D, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then wait. I will show you. 4s, 4p, 4d, and sorry, 5 is none. It will be 5.
5.
Yes, it will be 5. So it will be your mm, uh, mhm, 5p, 5d, and then 5f. Next is 6x, 6p, 6d, and 6f. Then next is the 6d. But 6d, unfortunately, is not there. But as per the rule, 6d is also there. The next we have the 7s, 7p, 7d, 7f, 7g, and 7h. Last one is the 8s, 8p, 8d, something goes there. But these are the actually. Why? Who told you 6G is there?
Can you scroll up, sir?
6G also there? Yes. Who told you 6G is not there?
Sir, can I take a screenshot of that
SPD.
above, sir?
No. Here we have something we
Sir,
did mistake.
4F don't we have?
Here I did more. I
Sir,
did
can you
something wrong.
scroll up?
Here will be 4F, and here will be 5G, 6G, and then next will be 6H, 7H, HI. This will be 7I, 8I, 7I. Yes, I forget right. This
Sir,
will
it
be
cannot
7.
be like that, no, sir.
Why? This is given here in first. This is the
Oh, yes, sir,
K
yes, sir. You
L
didn't write 5G. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
N O P Q R. So first consists of one subcell. Yes. Here we have how many subcell? Here we have 2. Here we have 3. Here we have 4. Here we have 5. Here we have 6. Here we have 7. Here will be 8. Remember now, number of orbits is equal to number of subcell. Right? Remember? Yes. And we have formula also 2 into L plus 1. Right? Isn't it? Did you remember or forgot?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Huh?
12 plus 1 is the number of possible values for the
Of
M value, no, sir.
Sir,
so
can you scroll up?
for fourth orbit, how many values it will
Sir,
be? 2
9.
into not 9. Fourth orbit will be 4 now. L value will be 2 only. L will be fourth orbit how much here? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 into 2 plus 1, 7. Oh, this is for the F electron. I think for the orbit only. F subcell. Okay, F subcell. For number of orbit, how will you find it? I think how to find. I also forgot. 2 plus L is this one. For suppose D consists of how many electrons, right? D consists of how many orbitals? So that you have to use the 2L plus 1. For F consists of how many? Again 2L plus 1. So here D value is 2. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Here D F value will be 3. So it will be 2 into 3 plus 7. So there will be 7 orbitals, isn't it? Or we can say orientation. That is orientation. Okay. That is orientation. And
sir,
each,
can you scroll up?
yes. Now,
I
no.
want to take a screenshot.
This one. Already I gave you this table.
Sir, here why is first S is there, then D, and then P? Why not S, T, and D, sir?
Wait. In that case, we have to use the Aufbau rule, N plus L rule. That is the Aufbau rule. Aufbau rule says that N plus L is lower. Obaru says, wait. What is the Obaru? Obaru says that electrons will be filled in that orbit. Electrons is filled in that orbit whose in that orbit, or we can say in that subset, not orbit. Use the term subset. In that subcell, here I say in that subcell, okay, whose energy is minimum, right? Whose energy is less, not okay. This one. No. Already you have notes in the copy, na. Already notes are there. I gave you
Yes,
notes.
it's given an atomic structure in detail.
No, that is already I gave you. Just I am revising this thing. So we have drawn the arrow, if you remember, like this one arrow, right?
Yes, sir. Wait.
Like this arrow, we did it, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is going like this one. So you have to go like this one, and you have to cross like this one. So electrons will fill in this arrow only. After this arrow, next is the tail. Next is tail only. After this is next is tail. We have to start like this one every time. After this, we have to go this tail. So we can say first is 1s. So if you write the number, first is your 1s. After 1s, next is 2s. After 2s, next is 2p. After 2p, next is 3s. So we put here 3s. After this, next is 3p. After 3p, what is the next? 3d or 4p?
4S, 4S.
Here. So after 3p, no. Beautiful. Based on this principle only. After 3p, 3d is not filled. What is filled? 4s. After 4s, next is 3D only, yes. It is 3 is now. After 3, what is next? 4p. After 4p, what is next? It is 5s. They are not filling 4D. It's 5s only, okay. After 5s, what is next? 4D. Can you see? After 4D, what is next? 5p, yes. Then after that, next is 6s. And then next after is 4f. Now you see here. In this case also, you can see first is, this is your 1s, isn't it? This will be your how much? Here will be your 1s. This is, we have to put the dark color. This is your 1s, right? This will be your, then after that, 2s. Then here we have the, we use the red color. This is your 1s. Then we have 2s. Then we have 2p. Again 2s. Again we have 3s. Again we have 3p. Again we have 4s. Again we have 3d. Again we have 4p. Again we have 5s. Again we have 4d. Again we have, this is your 4d, 4p. Yes, isn't it?
Yes,
Not
sir.
4d. This is 5p. 5p. Then we have 6s. Then we have 5d. Then we have, after 6d, we have 6p. Understood? It's going sequence wise, now. Yes or no?
But
How
why
do
are they doing first in while placing in the periodic table, sir? With
Uh-huh.
increasing atomic number, they're
Huh?
doing S, P, S, D, and then P, sir.
Huh?
Why isn't it S, P, and then D?
Energy wise given. Now first come S, then come P, then come D. Okay. It is given. Don't ask why is given. You have to
No,
follow
sir.
this order. Energy wise,
S, P, and
S
D is
having,
the
uh-huh.
order, no, sir.
S
But
is the order. Yes, yes.
here they have given first on the, if we see horizontally, sir,
Huh?
first two we are getting S, and then we, instead of P there is D, and then only we are getting P, sir.
You see the order. Can you see?
Sir,
First
is
we are
that
getting
why
one.
it is called as 3D series, 4D series like that?
Yes, see here. We are following this order. First is 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p. Isn't
Sir,
it?
all the S are in one row, sir.
Huh? All there's one
Okay.
row. All two is one row. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We have followed now. We just say this is a
Yes,
totally
sir.
sequence in the periodic table also. If you draw the periodic table diagram also, so first will be 1s. Suppose here will be, you take it. Suppose here will be 1s. But still suppose not understood now. So we can put here, suppose this is the 1s, 2 element. Then we have, one is finished. So now we go for 2s 2. Now here we have a 2p, 1 2 6. Now we have next is 3s 1 2 2. Then after that we go for,
Sir, here why are we
let
putting
it.
2P6 towards the right, sir? We could just place it after 2S2, no, sir?
How will you place it? After
Sir,
2 you
remove
put,
from the periodic table, sir.
after 1 is
Handler.
then after 1 is then you can put a 2s2. Then
Mendeley.
Yes, sir. To the right of 2S2, you can directly place 2P6, no, sir? Why are we leaving gap for the D block? We could have placed the D block elements which had to be placed.
No. We have to follow this order. Order is following.
Yes, sir. Same order we can do
No,
by
you
the inverted,
are,
no, sir, laterally.
don't, you are changing the pH table. You can't change it. Already Henry Moseley changed the pH table. Don't try to change it. Okay, it is running for 110 years. Okay. Now you are changing it. Don't change the pH table. It is sequence correct
Found
only.
it, sir.
It's just like
It is
they
totally
did it
following
in
this
this
order.
order.
Yes. No, classification over. Ultimately, you want to discuss better.
Sir, we discussed that, sir.
10 minutes topic, alkali metals. No, in alchemy, what we discuss, we not is it finished only.
It is
No,
separate
classification
chapter.
over.
S
Sir,
block
first
is
class, I
separate.
think you gave an intro. While giving that intro itself, you thought, sir, chalcogen
Yes, sir.
family, carbon
Yes,
family, that, sir.
Already easy, na. That's not necessary. Okay, that is not necessary at all. Actually, we have to learn the periodic property classification over. Here I am telling you how the electrons are arranged in the periodic table. I think it's easy or it's not difficult. Why you are so much confused? Is it okay? Understood now?
Yes, sir, understood.
It's clear? Yes, it's easy only. So easy. I told you everything, right? I think you should not have any confusion. Yes, it's clear. Shall we move next topic?
Yes, sir.
I think there are some properties of the group wise element also. So let me tell you the some property of the group wise element. Right.
Sir, today's class is till 9 o'clock or 9:15, sir.
9 o'clock. You want some more class?
No, sir. Someone put message in the group saying it was till 9:15, so that's what I asked.
No, no, it's 9.
Okay.
No,
problem.
no. He put like, no, no, no. It's a 1 hour class, 1 hour class, right? Okay. If you tell because it's on Thursday, no, no, Friday. No, we have class on Friday. Yes.
Sir,
Friday
I
holiday.
don't have holidays, sir.